Welcome to our channel. If you're new here, we're thrilled to have you join our community of design enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of organic rustic coffee tables, pieces that are not only beautiful but also crafted with sustainability in mind. Make sure to stay with us until the end, where we'll reveal some exclusive tips and tricks for selecting the perfect organic rustic coffee table. In this video, we'll explore the unique features of these stunning tables and share tips on how to incorporate them into your home decor. We've put a lot of time and effort into curating this information, ensuring you get the best insights to inspire your next home project. If you enjoy our content and find it useful, please consider subscribing to stay updated with our latest videos. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. Your support helps us create even more amazing content for you. Let's get started on this journey to create a warm and inviting space in your home. In today's home decor market, the organic rustic coffee table has emerged as a popular choice among consumers seeking both style and sustainability. This unique piece of furniture combines natural materials with a warm, inviting aesthetic, making it an attractive option for a variety of interior styles. As more homeowners prioritize eco-friendly products, the appeal of organic rustic furniture continues to grow. The appeal of organic materials. One of the primary reasons the organic rustic coffee table is in demand is its use of natural materials. Homeowners are increasingly drawn to the idea of bringing the outdoors inside. Tables crafted from reclaimed wood or sustainably sourced materials not only reduce environmental impact but also add character and uniqueness to any living space. Each piece tells a story, showcasing the beauty of nature. Characteristics of rustic design. Rustic design is characterized by its emphasis on natural elements, texture, and a cozy, lived-in look. An organic rustic coffee table often features live edges, knots, and imperfections that highlight the wood's natural beauty. These characteristics create a sense of warmth and authenticity, making the table a focal point in the room. The rugged charm of rustic design appeals to those who appreciate craftsmanship and the beauty of imperfection. Versatility and style. The organic rustic coffee table is remarkably versatile, fitting seamlessly into various design styles, from farmhouse to modern minimalism. Its earthy tones and textures complement a wide range of color palettes and materials, making it an adaptable choice for any decor scheme. This versatility enhances its marketability, appealing to a broader audience. Eco-friendly trends. As sustainability becomes a central focus in consumer buying decisions, the market for eco-friendly furniture continues to expand. Organic rustic coffee tables often feature non-toxic finishes and natural oils, ensuring that they are safe for both the home and the environment. Consumers are more conscious of their purchases, and furniture made from sustainable materials aligns with their values. Craftsmanship and artisanal appeal. The rise of the artisanal movement has led to increased appreciation for handcrafted furniture. Many organic rustic coffee tables are made by skilled artisans who prioritize quality and craftsmanship. This attention to detail is highly valued, as consumers are willing to invest in pieces that are not only functional but also beautiful works of art. Market trends. Current market trends show a significant shift toward unique, one-of-a-kind furniture pieces. Mass-produced items are losing appeal as consumers seek individuality in their home decor. Organic rustic coffee tables, often handcrafted and featuring distinctive designs, cater to this demand. Their uniqueness allows homeowners to express their personal style, making them a sought-after item in the market. Price points. While organic rustic coffee tables can vary in price, many consumers are willing to pay a premium for quality and sustainability. The investment in a well-crafted, eco-friendly table is often justified by its durability and timeless appeal. This willingness to invest is a crucial factor in the success of these tables in today's market. Marketing strategies. Effective marketing strategies play a vital role in promoting the organic rustic coffee table. highlighting the story behind the materials, the artisanship involved, and the sustainability aspect can attract environmentally conscious consumers. Utilizing social media platforms and influencer partnerships can further amplify the reach to target audiences who value unique home decor. Customer experience. Creating a positive customer experience is essential for selling organic rustic coffee tables. Providing detailed product information, showcasing the craftsmanship, and offering customization options can enhance the buying experience. Engaging with customers through storytelling about the origins of the materials can foster a deeper connection to the product. The role of online shopping. The rise of e-commerce has transformed how consumers shop for furniture. Online platforms provide an opportunity for small businesses and artisans to reach a wider audience. High-quality images and detailed descriptions of organic rustic coffee tables can entice potential buyers, making it easier for them to envision these pieces in their own homes. Challenges in the market. Despite the growing popularity of organic rustic coffee tables, there are challenges in the market. Competition from mass-produced furniture and the need for brands to differentiate themselves can be daunting. Additionally, ensuring a consistent supply of sustainable materials while maintaining quality can pose logistical challenges for manufacturers. The organic rustic coffee table stands out in today's market as a symbol of sustainability, craftsmanship, and style. Its ability to blend seamlessly into various decor styles while appealing to eco-conscious consumers makes it a timeless choice. As market trends continue to evolve, the demand for organic rustic furniture is likely to remain strong, reflecting a broader shift towards more thoughtful and intentional home decor choices. Another challenge is consumer awareness. While there is a rising interest in sustainable furniture, many consumers may still be unaware of the benefits of choosing organic rustic pieces over conventional options. Moreover, navigating the online marketplace can be tricky as numerous brands vie for attention. This makes it crucial for companies to establish a strong online presence and connect with their audience effectively. Engaging storytelling and visually appealing content can help brands stand out in a crowded market. Thank you for watching the video. We truly appreciate your time and hope you found the insights on organic rustic coffee tables both informative and inspiring for your home decor projects. If you enjoyed the content and want to see more like it in the future, we invite you to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our latest videos, tips, and creative ideas designed to elevate your living space. Additionally, if you found value in what we shared, please give us a thumbs up and consider sharing the video with friends and family who might also be interested in enhancing their homes. Your support not only motivates us to continue creating quality content, but also helps us grow our community of design enthusiasts. We look forward to bringing you more exciting content, so stay tuned for what's coming next.